Hi people, today I'm gonna eat some dog food. Now, for the first one, it's called the Yummy Dog. No, I'm kidding, I don't know the name of it. See? Right here, wait, no, you can't even see it. See right here, you can't really see it. Oh my! That was so bad. Oh my god. I'm only trying 2 dog foods. I was gonna do 4, but that was so disgusting. Now I'm only gonna do 2. So on to the second one. Oh my god. This is like so cheesy. See? So this. Oh my god. That was so gross. Now, comment down below what challenges you want me to do. Goodbye.